Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, I know, I get it, I understand. It's a holiday, Thanksgiving, for all of you people that celebrate days such as this. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, I say that because I understand some that don't. And I don't want to offend anybody, but look at this, guys. Look at the sky. It's a beautiful day today. It's not cold. If I had to guess, let me see if I can grasp the temperature. If I had to guess, I would say about 65, 70 degrees. It's November the 24th. Yes, guys. So, yes, I do have work to do. It's a day off technically, but I have some work to do at what we call home. I would finally grab a rake. See, that's the thing about leaves, guys. You want to be careful because you don't want to rake up leaves just 2 days later and it be like this. Look at that. You see all these trees? Okay, they're not done. So what do you guys do? Do y'all wait till the trees get totally done before y'all rake up leaves? I don't know. But yeah, I drove my work car home, my PT Cruiser. You see how dirty it is, because I got some stuff in there I got to get out of. But yes, this give me free up some time. Now y'all know I hate showing y'all this because y'all, oh, your garage is filthy. Yes, because that's what I'm gonna do today. Unfilter it. In other words, I'm gonna clean it. I might go do a little hunting today. Y'all see my little pea shooter? Yeah, I bought this because I had a rematch with a squirrel in my roof, on my roof, and in my attic that tried to come back. All right, so yeah, the old squirrel tried to come back, so I got something for him. Okay, I mean, I know you animal lovers hate that when people talk like that, but I can't have the squirrel keep coming back. I always wonder how squirrel know which house to come back to. Oh my goodness, I've been looking all over for this shirt. See, this is when you know you need to clean up. This is my YouTube shirt. This is what I'm supposed to be having on when I do my live stream. Let me get this washed. Depending on if I don't know if I'm gonna go live tonight, depending on how much family is over. But yes, I got to clean up my studio. I got to get that back organized because I have some work to do. Although my mini studio is in my computer room. Guys, I bought this desk a long time ago. You can still, well, there's some personal stuff on there. You can still see the freaking date on it. This desk right here is one of those. I saw a guy on YouTube using one of these. You can push a button and the desk will go up and down. I just ain't had time to put it up, so I'm gonna get that, clean up all of this mechanic mess. Oh my goodness, my buddy from Amsor sent me some trial stuff. I don't know. Y'all know I'm a new car. I'm in a new car environment, new car dealer, new car environment. So I don't work on a lot of old cars. So most of the new cars does not require or additives, any additives. But from time to time, additive car companies have to make money too. So he sent me this. I guess I found it. I'm just really opening it. Okay, yeah. Man. Synthetic motor 0W20. That goes in the Cherokee. My Cherokee takes 0W20. So I will be using that. For that, he sent me this. Okay, and that's not technically a new car anymore. That's a 2017 with like 80,000 miles on it. What is this? Thermo motor oil 0W20. That's just happening synthetic. That's what my car take. That's what that Cherokee take. I don't know what this is. Gasoline additive. We'll try some of that. So yeah, they give me a chance to use some of that. But I appreciate it, buddy. I forgot his name. Oh my goodness. I'll try to put it in the description. But yeah, all of this getting cleaned up today, guys. I'm not playing around today. I mean, we're gonna sit around and eat. Y'all know me, I don't eat a bunch of whatever. But so a couple of things I'm gonna accomplish today. Cleaning out my garage. I will finally be able to get 2 cars in this garage. This is a 2-car garage. Well, it used to be till I took over and made the studio out of half of it. All right, but yeah, get all that cleaned up. Mopar boxes around here like I'm at work or something. I don't know, but as far as home stuff, yes, man. Look at the dog. He just come out here and handle his business. Oh my goodness. Let me show y'all something, guys. I'm gonna go around. Now, guys, I know we all mechanics, right? Yes, but from time to time, guys, if you don't become a home maintenance guy, your house will crumble. And here's what I mean. See, this is why I gotta find and make time to do what I need to do around the house. If you're gonna be a man, you gotta be a man. I gotta get these gutters clean. All right, that is not a hard job, guys. You guys can work on cars. Look, that's probably how the squirrel's getting in right there. Yeah, I got something for them. Okay, I'm about to close that up, put that gutter back up. You know, water getting inside your wood, guys, is not good. So I got to get all that cleaned up. That's why I'm afraid to rake the leaves, because they still falling. I know it's a car channel, but we'll chit chat a little bit, vlog. This is where I come back here and do some weightlifting when I got some time in the morning time. It's a deadlift trap bar. Yes, that get me some good. I get in a deficit quick in the morning when I do that. For all you geek heads, exercise heads, y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I come out here and do my thing, my thizzle. Don't know why they're still here. I don't eat barbecue no freaking more. Look at this spider right there. See, I need to dispose of him before he make his way into my house. And I can't have that. Spider, goodbye. Yeah, they'll make their way into your house. See, look at all them leaves. Yeah, I got to get that, man, because if leaves clutter up your gutter, that means water can work its way into your seams, and water is bad. Oh, it's really bad on this side. Ooh, look at all them freaking leaves. This tree, that's not my tree, guys. It's the neighbor tree. He need to handle his business. All right, I got a lot of work to do, man. Let me go. Let me prep myself mentally. We're not gonna eat till about 2 o'clock, so that gives me a time to do a little bit, wash up, then eat, edit a couple of videos, then eat some more. Here's my lawnmower. I guess we done with lawnmower season, right? Anybody still cutting grass? Yeah, I think that's done. That's over with. But guys, I don't want to bore y'all. I was gonna make this a short video, but why not? Let me vlog a little bit. Yes, I can get my bike back up. Need to put air in the tires, and I can ride my bike, get some exercise in this that way. But all of this will be gone. So, in fact, let me take a before picture and an after picture, so y'all will believe me. One of you guys, I'm sure, will ask me, "Did you ever clean your garage out?" I'm gonna show you. This is before, and I'm gonna click my fingers. And I'm gonna show you. This is after. You're gonna see 2 cars in here, because that's what it was meant for, guys. This is a 2-car garage. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. I bought this from Walmart. Remember when COVID first hit, we couldn't go to the gym, so I bought me a damn gym station and just never got around to putting it up, man. Freaking. I gotta prioritize this stuff, man. It's not that I'm lazy. It's not enough time in the day to do everything I want to do. All right. Yes, I'm a music producer, beat maker. Okay. Now, granted, a lot of this is overkill now. This was all needed, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years ago. Tone generators and all that. Most everything now is computer generated. So, but I still want my stuff. So I gotta. Whew, yeah. Okay, I took this from the job because the job wanted to throw away. It's the Mopar computer desk that we used to use. I have no idea what's in the Mopar boxes. I assume parts. I got keyboards, laying high dollar stuff. Just, oh my God, I am reckless. Compressor that I use, I'm doing side work. Yes, guys, from time to time. Remember the Grand Cherokee I had right here doing a ticker? Yeah, just a quick $1,000. You don't have to let it up in the air or nothing. None of that. What we have here? Oh, cylinder head. Why is this cylinder head sitting here? I have no idea. I think my buddy, I don't know. How that guy parts. Why? Why? Let me get a dumpster. Freaking PCMs. Why is PCM laying in my overhaul kits? Okay, let me stop. Because we're gonna take care of all of this today. The siding, what they did to inside of my house. I remember the flood I got when my pipe broke. I told y'all, man, they doing tricky. They got not tricky, but they fancy with everybody that live in an older house know the PVC that goes from your water meter to your house. Well, mine's broke and water got everywhere, right? So now the water meter down there, they routed that sucker through here and then went up in the garage and come all the way down from there. So now they got, right, see right there? So that's coming from the water meter. No longer are they under the house, because the ground can shift and bust that pipe, and then you're in trouble. Okay, so yeah, this make perfect. You're still on the ground technically from here, but only break it. I don't expect the house to shift, although it can, but I don't know. So this a heel too, guys. All right, it's just a vlogging video. I'm sorry if I wasted your time. Y'all probably ain't doing nothing but eating. I got work to do. All right. And this is one of those jobs where you can't hire somebody to do it, because you need to know personally where everything is at. Like, I need to know where I put everything. You see what I'm saying? So I can't, my man, you want to make a quick $100 clean this up for me? Yeah. he'll put stuff I don't know where and it'll be a problem. So I have to do this myself. This is something I got to do. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Oh my goodness, I bought this years ago. Look, it's still brand new. I bought this from Lowe's or even Home Depot. I'm gonna put that on eBay and see what I can get for that. I don't know. Computers, keyboards. I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.